Bàbá Tinubu ìtàn àtúbọ̀tán yóò ní dá o.
Tinubu tó ọba máa ń dúró ṣe kẹ́fì ìjọba rẹ̀ kẹ́jẹ́ kẹ́lẹ́ mi ọ̀bọ sórí po gbogbo wàhálà tẹ̀tẹ̀ kó yẹn sí tí gbogbo wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa ṣépè fún ẹ tí wọ́n bá wọn àrójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ayé wọn mọ́ tí wọ́n kú torí gbogbo ọkọ̀ yẹn kó máa lọ báyìí.
ẹ sọ fún Tinubu pé orí kà dáa fún àwa Yorùbá ládìbò fún ó di kírèsì Yorùbá ọmọ àlè ní kéjọ máa rà gbíjì.
sọmọ ni ò lè ṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀ rẹ̀ mọ́ báyìí ní ká.
ọmọ wo ṣèdí bẹ̀bẹ̀ rẹ̀ ìta ipò tá a fi sí ká bá ebi pa wá Nàìjíríà gaari wọ́n ẹ̀rẹ́ wọn gbogbo ẹ̀ àrùn jẹ́.
My boy, so Pampers I buy 6,000 plus. We are buying 9,000 something.
So for a married man now, Nigeria.
It's difficult for a married man. Even if a single is single to marry now, you be afraid of us to marry. Say, I'm going to this kind of situation because the money that you have seen is not enough for you to feed the family. Common bread, let's go to bread. It's 2,000. Bread that we are buying 350 before. From 350 enter 500.
Is that the reason why a lot of young men know they marry again now?
Yes. You can't say young boy because you calculate yourself before you go to a relationship. Do you know how much are you going to just marry? If you don't check your pocket first before you do anything marriage. For now. So Baba Tinubu, ẹ bá wa ṣe dá o.
Kò sí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí sọ fún wa protest ti parí.
Protest kò sí ẹ̀ka tó jáde ń bẹ̀. Ìnira yẹn pọ̀ gidi gan. Kódà ibi tí Nàìjíríà lọ gan Ọlọ́run ọba nìkan náà ló yé. So ntẹ́mi káàrí bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé bí Baba Tinubu tí ọba lè ṣe kinní yẹn bàbá olówó rẹ̀ tá a bá yé tá a bá fi sílẹ̀ bí ò lè pa àyàn ká padà ṣẹṣẹ àárọ̀ kí ìjọba ológun kí wọ́n take over.
Ká padà ṣẹṣẹ àárọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
kí yọ. Rí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ilẹ̀ Haúsá northern Arewa wọ́n ń gbé Russia flag Russia.
Because kí Russia wá intervene.
Russia wá gba ìjọba.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni so kí ni àǹfààní Ọlọ́run fún Nàìjíríà Ọlọ́run fún wa ní gbogbo ohun tí Ọlọ́run máa fún ẹ̀dá láyé kódà táwọn òyìnbó gan bá rí opportunity láti gba Nàìjíríà kí wọ́n gbé wọ́n rẹ̀ láti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kí ni tá a fẹ́ tọ́lọ́wọ́ ṣe fún wa bí báyìí bẹ́ẹ̀ tí àwọn ìjọba tá a ní ìjọba tó yẹ pé ojú kòkòrò tí wọ́n nìkan ni wọ́n mọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n sá idà Ọlọ́run ọba yóò bá gbogbo wọn bí wọ́n bá kú re wọn ò lè sùn re àtúbọ̀tán wọn kò sì ní dáa nítorí pé ìkà ni wọ́n ọ̀dájú ìyàwó ò lè tẹ.
bá dé tó bá jẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí yóò fi ṣe o ìgbọ̀nà parọ́ fún yín o torí ibi náà gbogbo ẹ̀ bá lọ báyìí nìsín ó sùn yẹn o owó tó ná èyí tó máa sọ́fà yóò máa ṣe fìgbà tí yóò máa ṣe ni Baba Tinubu tó ọba máa ń dúró ṣe kẹ́fì ìjọba rẹ̀ kẹ́jẹ́ kẹ́lẹ́ mi ọ̀bọ sórí po gbogbo wàhálà tẹ̀tẹ̀ kó yẹn sí tí gbogbo wọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa ṣépè fún ẹ tí wọ́n bá wọn àrójútó ọ̀rọ̀ ayé wọn mọ́ tí wọ́n kú torí gbogbo ọkọ̀ yẹn kó máa lọ báyìí.
Ẹ wá sọ di bọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀ ń fẹ́.
A ti wà lẹ́yìn náà tó jọ mẹ́ta náà.
Àwọn fọkànbalẹ̀
bá wà lórí mélòó wọ́n ti ká tó bá lóṣù mẹ́fà àwọn méje mi yóò ti sọnù kó tó lóṣù mẹ́fà kó tó pé wọ́n méje mi yóò ti sọnù kó tó mẹ́fà kó tó pé.
29 láti ní Baba Tinubu yìí. tó ti sọ pé sources is gone àti bánà tí ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí.
Afarada ẹni kan farada wọ́n ní kẹ́
fọdún mélòó sẹ́dùn gbogbo ìbá tó kú tẹ́ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yẹn ló ti kú torí wàhálà tá ń bá kiri ni kí ló fọ gbogbo lẹ́yìn o tí o bá mọ̀ ìjọba ṣe kẹ́tẹ́ kálọ̀ mi ọ̀bọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tí o bá mọ̀ tí o ṣe kẹ́tẹ́ kálọ̀ mi ọ̀bọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kálọ̀ asẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ti kálọ̀ máa sinmi.
owó epo báyìí ni wàhálà báyìí.
ọkọjà bẹ́ẹ̀ owó epo ṣe tọ́ o.
We live for Nigeria now with hunger, suffer everywhere. Nobody get money. We no get money now. This time around. No, our local don't tumble. No be our local again. Because
we protest àti protest àti protest parí ṣẹ́rù báwọn ìjọba yìí ṣé wọ́n ń gbọ́ràn ṣá.
Wọn ò gbọ́ o torí bí ọjọ́ mẹ́wàá tá a fi ṣe protest báyìí àti gbọ́ràn kankan nípa ìbọ̀yá changes máa wà o but abẹ́lọ́run ọwọ́ Ọlọ́run ni gbogbo ẹ̀ wà Ọlọ́run ló ní àkóso Ọlọ́run ló lè bá a ṣe.
ṣé a tún ṣe protest ni ṣé protest yẹn máa continue.
As àwọn leader wa ti ń ṣe lọ́wọ́ normal bọ́n ti ń ṣe inú mi dùn sí but wọ́n ti stop lọ́jọ́ mẹ́wàá ká tó fún bí ọ̀sẹ̀ kan sí tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá ti ṣe nǹkan lórí ẹ̀ kan tó continue.
ṣé nǹkan pàtó sọ pé ṣé kí wọ́n dá owó epo yẹn padà ni epo yẹn ló mú oúnjẹ wọn lọ́jà.
tẹ́rí epo náà ló fa gbogbo tó dá wa lálẹ́ báyìí ká ní normal price tó wà kí bàbá Buhari tó kúrò ká ní ló sì wà ní mo mọ̀ pé nǹkan ti máa dáa jù báyìí lọ but mọ́ọ̀ ti fún ẹ̀ ń lọ sókè nìkan wọ́n sí family mo ò lè fowó oúnjẹ mẹ́ta lẹ̀ lójúmọ́ mọ́ so n tí mo rí ń bẹ̀ nìyẹn.
ṣé wàá rò pé àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ó lè fẹ́yàwó mọ́ báyìí.
àwọn ọ̀dọ́ àwa tá a ti fẹ́ gan báyìí gan Ọlọ́run ní bá gbọ́ bùkátà à ń bẹ lọ́ọ̀ni báyìí ká tó rí gbọ́ gan Ọlọ́run ni o.
Ọlọ́run bá bọ́ o kó lọ́ọ́ sànú wa ni o kò sún àlà. tó o fẹ́ ká àwọn ọ̀dọ́ lè fẹ́yàwó mọ́ ni ẹ̀ tóbìnrin wa pọ̀ ní bàbá yìí.
èyí tó fanu o ebi ni ẹ bá lówó lọ́wọ́ ní ọ̀fẹ́ yàwó tẹbi wà ń ta bóni ẹ ti fẹ́ bọ́ yàwó ẹ ti bẹnu mẹ́ta ẹ tún fẹ́ fẹ́ yàwó mi so ohun tó fanú o.
lẹ́yìn fẹ́ fẹ́ yàwó lé yàwó yìí.
àti ọlọ́mọ ajé nàìjíríà ọ̀dà yín tó fẹ́ méjì sí tí nàìjíríà bá da o bàbá yín tó fẹ́ yàwó méjì sí.
so mẹ́lọ́lọ́run.
So now I know the problem started from Buhari regime, but Tinubu worsted everything, and it made the thing difficult for everybody. So even both big man and rich man, big man and poor man, just little difference. The money is not circulated the way the money circulated before. Let's reach reality to us, because the way money is circulated before, from my hand to your hand, from your hand to another person's hand. But now you look from hand to mouth. If you watch Nigeria now, a lot of people in Nigeria are hand to mouth. Seriously.
People just work to feed, not
yes.
to, the standard of living has dropped since this. Will you say this is the worst so far?
This is the worst so far. Because if another government came, is worse than this one, man, now death. That is the only solution. That's a lot of people come out, youth. Now that youth need to wake up. Let us come out, everybody. It's not only by a few people be too present on the road. Everybody shut down the shop. Let's fight for our right. This is our right.
The protest is over now. Do you feel where do we go from where? We will just continue.
But I think that they said 1 million march.
That would be October something.
Understand me? Because and secondly, all our protests that we are doing in this country, these are leaders have not valued the protests. Then say after 10 days that you guys want to do the protest, look at what the senior president said. Say you guys will be doing the protest, will be in our house and be eating. Is a leader? Is a good leader? Will open your mouth and say something like that? If something difficult, you come and admire people. Like, we'll find, please, let's give us, we'll find a raid around. The solution cannot be said this. No, this Nigeria, it's where we talk. So but
no way out now. Is there hope for us?
My brother, it's difficult. There's only hope for you. Everybody else now. Since where you are coming out and doing protest, they didn't value our protest. Even look at it, the only protest I know is host. The best protest in this Nigeria now, ESAS. Because now we are not as one Nigeria, but some part will be say let's do protest, some part will be doing work, which you call because those people who went out, they don't have anywhere to go. They have somewhere to go, but let's fight for our rights. If everybody come out to the road, everybody come out to the road, our government will fear us because we many more than them.
You feel that protest should not be announced before the judge should just come out and protest because it gives them room for them to.
Yes, that is yes. Because if they wanted to do protest, they don't announce it so that they will not be aware. It will be unexpected protest to them. Because since we are saying you give them a date. Look at it now. They already give some boys some youth money so that we say protest. If you watch Bayelsa, they say, come on, there's no protest in Bayelsa. So, like, I know many states there is no protest. In those states, actually, they are not doing protest. Let's say Igbo land, all this.
Yeah,
Biafra land, some of them are not doing protest. What you are buy and buy. Those ones went out and do protests. They say they don't have their business I'm going to do. No, then say let's fight. Because if they fight, look at how much are we buying for now?
They are still buying for 900, 1,000.
It's much for us. Seriously, let's ask ourselves a question.
What word do you want to tell the presidency this morning?
See, my advice to our president that they started. I know they are promised us and fee, because they say refinery will be started working for how many months? They say last year December. From Port we started working last year December. Then say they say March from Kaduna being a Kano. Kaduna refinery will be work. Those ones have not seen anything till now. Now they say this month, end of this month, they will be started working. We are still waiting for them. If the solution will be, I say Dangote refinery will be buy crude in Naira, so that you will sell in Naira. So since we have refinery, what happened to our refinery? We will not work it and just be promise or give up promise and fee. This is not fair. Let's be realistic and tell our truth. And secondly, again, for Mr. President to come out and okay. We want you guys to be selling rice. They say 40,000 per bag. Is it possible for marketer to sell 40,000? No. Because I hear about the rice. They say it's only for civil servants. Also, what of other people? They are not in Nigeria. So they say only you go and feed the farm for only civil servants to buy rice 40,000. So we that are not a servant, chef employed. We are not in Nigeria. But Nigeria want to do something. Say if you want to do NIA compulsory for everybody, why can't you do since when you say NIA compulsory for everybody?
You use the NIA for and your bank BVN.
Yes. So since when they say it's compulsory, so everything that it belong to civil servant, it belong to self-employed. Understand me? So if they want the rest to be come back to 40,000 per bag, they will make sure by they wanted to, if they open border will be solution for us, let them open border so that can be buy something cheap.
So your advice to the government for them to open border?
Let them open border so that thing will be cheap for us.
But Baba, you won't say that.
They are not this man, Baba me look at seriously. People are angry with you. Our Yoruba binu because ti boju Yoruba je.
Ó ti jálẹ̀kẹ̀ di ọmọ báyìí.
Na sumo èmi ló kàn iṣẹ́ ìfọkànbalẹ̀ ṣé ìfọkànbalẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí ẹni ìfọkànbalẹ̀ a máa mú wálẹ̀ ní tẹ́ fi máa mú wálẹ̀ ẹ̀bùn lọ sókè ni bàbá sódà báyìí.
Let the poor breathe.
Yes.
The poor don't choke now.
Na small choke no be small choke o.
This any president talk he say make they do protest he go dey eat for him whole house that's that as dem keep us say dem as dem dey now is as we dey.
So we no concern them.
You no concern dem no get feeling for us na we just dey kill ourselves for them.
How market now, sir?
Well we thank God.
Share your how you dey manage for this economy?
Well dem say Nigeria get one problem anything wey come after 1 week e dey always adapt sharp if Nigeria no dey waste time to adapt something.
So we go protest another.
Make dem abeg I dey beg Nigeria make dem no try protest again because if dem do protest again na 1-5 wey dey go abeg
No protest again.
abeg e do first protest wey go 1,000 naira per litre second one no be 1.5 another one 2,000 then they pray make they protest make dem dey increase the fuel na dem prayer be that.
Okay. Baba say you support the thing wey talk say make we no protest again.
My brother support am because this one now when they go protest the thing go worse yo. The thing go worse. Abeg make dem leave am like that.
Make dem no protest.
Make dem no protest again abeg. Make dem leave us as we dey because another protest either we go buy 2,000 and we never know or 1,500. Abeg make dem manage am like this. You go survive.
Thank you.
àdúgbò ẹ̀dọ̀ ọlọ́run àdúgbò àfọ̀pẹ́ fọlọ́run.
Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bàbá?
ogun eléyìí kì í ṣe ogun àdájà eléyìí kì í ṣe ogun àdájà ogun gbogbo ayé lélẹ̀ báyìí o.
Kò kàn wá mọ́ báyìí.
àrí kò kàn wá mọ́ o ti kàn wá ọlọ́mọdé ó kàn á pa o.
Bàbá kí lè rí sọ sí ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà lẹ́ báyìí?
ọ̀rọ̀
epo tó mú ẹ̀.
ọ̀sán kankan mọ́
Èló lẹ epo báyìí láàárọ̀ yìí? 1,003. Epo 1 litre
1 litre.
ní Port Harcourt tó ní refinery.
ní Port Harcourt.
Tó ní refinery tó ibi tó ń dẹ̀ ti ń rí epo yẹn. Ṣó yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀?
àbẹ̀gùn la fẹ́ dá sí.
Á dẹ̀ lọ bí iṣẹ́.
nígbà táwa lágbára ńkọ́
Ọmọ jẹun ìyàwó jẹ.
àwọn lágbára Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lágbára.
à ń repo 1,003 àrí kankan fi gbé.
àfẹjọ́ wọn sọ Ọlọ́run.
Ọlọ́run nìkan oṣù ló kù.
Ọlọ́run ti fún àwọn gbogbo kan tá a need ṣé Ọlọ́run àdá sí wọn. Ọlọ́run ṣe. Ìmọ̀ràn wo lẹ ní fún amọ̀mọ̀ sọ Yorùbá? Ìmọ̀ràn wo lẹ ní fún bàbá báyìí láàárọ̀?
ìmọ̀ràn tèmi ní fún ni pé kó rẹ̀yìn ọ̀la wò pé ilé ayé kì í ṣe àwa lọ pé ilé ayé èèyàn fi lẹ̀ á lọ gbogbo téèyàn bá kójọ kò sí kan tó mú lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o kó ro ìgbẹ̀yìn kó ro àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n mẹ̀kúnnù yes kó ro kò sí dáadáa rárá dáadáa.
Bàbá mo fẹ́ ká ṣe ní ìlú báyìí. Good morning sir. Ó ní ìlú báyìí.
ẹ fìlú lẹ
Kò sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí.
ẹ fìlú lẹ.
Ṣé ń gbádùn Jagaban?
gbádùn Jagaban kàkà fi alẹ Ọlọ́run nìkan là ń gbádùn báyìí Ọlọ́run là ń
Kí ló
gbádùn.
ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ọmọ yín ò lè ṣe díbẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká gbélé kẹ̀sì?
ẹ nà àwọn gbogbo bí ìbìlú ṣe rí náà ni ìlú yìí ó kù díẹ̀ káàtó àti pé ibi tá a fojú sí ọ̀nà ìgbà rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ìjọba tuntun yìí ṣùgbọ́n n táwọn sẹ́yìn ni pé a máa bẹ́lọ̀ náà ni kò ní ta fẹ́ ṣe kọjá ká bẹ́lọ̀ Ọlọ́run ló lè báyọ̀ sí.
Ṣé kí wọ́n impeach bàbá ní báyìí bàbá?
alọ́ àwọn wọ́n yìí ṣe wọ́n filẹ̀ àlesọ ọ̀la ó lè change lọ́la kò sí permanent something kò ní tó lè ṣẹlẹ̀.
Bàbá tẹ̀ sí ń bínú lóòwe kan.
ilé ọmọ tó máa ń owó tá a bá pa ètò ọ̀jẹ̀mọ́ ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́
No,
ni.
kì í ṣe tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ ṣàpòwé ẹni èyí tí ò jọmọ́ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ òwe tẹ́ mọ̀.